A waterfall is one of the most predictable natural systems on Earth, simply gravity acting on mass, pulling water down a cliff face. Victoria Falls stretches nearly a mile wide, dropping millions of gallons into a gorge in a massive display of horizontal scale. At Angel Falls in Venezuela, the water drops from such an extreme height that the stream disperses into mist before it hits the ground. Even at these staggering scales, the mechanics remain predictable and strictly bound by the laws of basic physics. Curious. But occasionally, a waterfall seemingly defies its own elemental nature. We see glaciers that bleed, rivers that catch fire, and water that plunges directly into an endless void. Highly specific geographical and chemical anomalies perfectly deceive human perception, creating these impossible visuals. By dissecting the rare, fragile mechanics behind these sites, we can see how the Earth constructs its ultimate optical illusions. In California's Yosemite National Park, the sheer granite cliff of El Capitan provides the vertical canvas for Horsetail Fall. For a few days each year, the water here glows like molten lava, a phenomenon driven by solar geometry. This effect requires a clear February sky, strong snowmelt, and the setting sun hitting the water at a precise angle to reflect fiery orange light for about 5 minutes. While that illusion relies on light, Eternal Flame Falls in New York features a physical fire burning directly behind the falling water. Natural methane gas seeps from underground shale rock into a small cave behind the waterfall, allowing a flame to burn in a pocket protected by the falling stream. Whether powered by solar alignment or a methane seep, the illusion of burning water relies on transient intersections of geology and the elements. In the frozen isolation of Antarctica, a different anomaly emerges at Blood Falls. Emerging from the pure white Taylor Glacier is a deep red stream that looks remarkably like blood oozing over the ice. The source is an ancient subglacial lake sealed beneath the ice for 1.5 million years, holding a highly concentrated iron-rich brine. When pressure forces this brine to the surface, the iron reacts with oxygen and rusts in real time, instantly turning the clear liquid a deep, rusty red. This pristine 1.5-million-year-old chemical time capsule offers a rare window into the planet's hidden chemistry. At Devil's Kettle in Minnesota, the mystery is spatial, a waterfall that seemingly plunges into a void. The river splits in two. Half flows normally, while the other half pours into a dark, rocky cavern and never visually reappears. To solve the mystery, researchers threw sticks, dye, and ping pong balls into the abyss, but absolutely none of those objects ever surfaced downstream. Math eventually provided the answer. By measuring river volume, scientists proved the flow above and below the falls is identical, confirming the water rejoins the main river. While math confirms the water's return, the actual underground tunnel route remains visually undiscovered. Devil's Kettle exploits a core human fear, the unknown void, maintaining its status because the eye cannot verify what the data proves. Solar geometry, ancient chemical reactions, and hidden subterranean routes all combine to trick our senses. Waterfalls function as highly dynamic, fragile systems that shift and react to the environment around them. These illusions require perfect natural alignments, some lasting only 5 minutes at sunset, others relying on environments untouched for millions of years. When the Earth's most extreme conditions overlap, science visually masquerades as magic. Our planet is infinitely more complex than basic physics suggests, constantly hiding awe-inspiring secrets